good, my beautiful soul family? It's Side Soul, just checking in with y'all. Right now, I'm down at the Connecticut River, on the eastern bank of the Connecticut River, in my beautiful city, Springfield, Massachusetts. I don't know what you can see. Anyhow, a lot of times I like to just come out here and get away from it all, but in reality, still reflect on everything. Still reflect on so much. And I manifest a lot of peace, prosperity, and positivity out here through many a days, through many a hours coming out here, many a years coming out here. Coming out here was actually how I was able to manifest most of the mental illness out of my body that plagued me for years. Just by connecting with my inner self, my deepest thoughts, my deepest fears, even my deepest insecurities. And once I started to do that, and I understood that nature was a help, was a primary help, you know? See, a lot of the times we see psychiatric doctors and therapists, which are very helpful if they're in it for the right reasons, but a lot of times we see those people in prescription drugs as the primary source of help to cure mental illness, or even just simple not simple, but even just depression in everyday people. You know what I mean? But in reality, it's the going within, it's the connecting with your soul, it's the meditation, it's the journaling, it's the mindfulness, it's listening to positive sound and music and other things, and just connecting with whatever it is that you're passionate about. It's these things that connect you with your truth, and the more and more you connect with your truth, the more and more you won't be afraid. You won't be afraid to ask yourself those questions in those spaces that you used to hide from. So when you really feel down within yourself about something, don't just run and go hang with your friend, because that's an opportunity for you to think it through. That's an opportunity for you to think it through and really connect. And little by little, you'll start finding the answers. Now, I'm not going to act like it's going to always be easy, because it's not. But in reality, the more and more you learn to connect with yourself and your soul, the more easier that it'll be to start shedding the layers of depression, the layers of resentment. You know what I mean? The layers of negative thinking, the layers of negative thoughts. Because you will understand that once you have a grasp of your purpose, or you start getting a grasp of what your purpose is on this very planet, then that's what takes precedent. So as I was saying, man, I love to come out here, man. I love to come out here, man. It's the Connecticut River, man. You go all the way down that river, you can get to Hartford, Connecticut. It's like 23 miles up. It's 23 miles south, I'm in. You can tell this is a southeastern wind. And I don't even need the weatherman to tell me that. You just gotta be in touch with the nature. It speaks to you. And that part, I can't tell you exactly how until you experience it for yourself. But anyhow, like I was saying, man, it's good to just come out here in nature and just connect with it and be one with it. And understand that there is peace, there's serenity that can be gained simply by just stepping out. Now, most of the time, to be honest with you, I don't even bring my phone. I'm bringing my phone to shoot this video to give a perspective. But normally, I don't even bring the phone, because I just unplug from Matrix. And that's when you take away all technology and you just come out here as yourself and just be alone. Not as yourself, but with yourself only. Just be alone and just connect with it. So, to be honest with you, I believe that this coming out here so much for me personally, I gain confidence, I gain strength each day, I gain more wisdom. I learned to let go of resentment. I freed myself of a lot of the learned behaviors. I just want people to honestly understand that there's a way for you. That's your special way. You start connecting with your soul. You don't have to follow a script. You don't have to follow a script. Connect with your soul's energy, because that's going to guide you ultimately to the best place you could possibly be. Follow your guides. And honestly, I appreciate everybody on here that's going to see this. I appreciate you all, because you all inspire me. It's about the people. I just want to spread the awareness. So if I could give some of my experiences and perspectives to the world and how I got through dark times and dark reality, that's what I'm going to do. So, like I was saying, man, if you walk all the way straight up this walk, you get all the way to the other side. You get all the way to the north end in Plainfield. It's a neighborhood out in my city, but it's kind of cut off and amputated by the highway, because years ago, and I'll get into this deeper in another video, but years ago, they signed a deal with the devil and built a highway to cut through and slice the old South End years and years ago. And what it did was it cut off the river from the city. That's why the downtown kind of looked like that. If you just, well, you can't really see it, but you know what I mean? But that's what happened. They definitely wanted to try to spawn economic renewal, and it just backfired, because they took away a whole neighborhood and cut off a neighborhood and amputated the city downtown from the river. So you got to go up under a tunnel and cross the highway, literally, just to get over here. So, you know, what can you say? I'll get into that deeper in another blog, though, because that definitely got to be something to be talked about. But if anybody wondering, if you ever been to Springfield, Massachusetts, and you wondering why the city kind of looked like that downtown, that's some of the backstory. And this was in like the late 60s, early 70s when this happened. So anyhow, like I said, man, I see a lot of greenery out here. I love the greenery, man. It's like it speaks to me. Look at the oxygen. That's why I love being from New England, man. I love being from Massachusetts, especially being from Western Massachusetts, where we got so much. I'm from an urban city, but it's a rural setup somewhat from the geography standpoint. And that's the beauty of it. But anyhow, like I was saying, man, I'm not going to be on this video too long. I just want to give y'all some perspective as to how some activities I do during the day just to keep myself grounded. Sometimes you can find a tree and put your back to it. Or like other people that have taught me from various videos and YouTube channels, to just take off your shoes, even in your socks, and just walk in the grass. You know what I'm saying? And just ground your energy. For real, man. It's beautiful though. It's beautiful just connecting with nature. Especially that we in the spring season, and we're reaching a pivotal point as a collective, as we are starting to gain more awareness, more mass consciousness. We're starting to push into a higher vibrational planet where individualism isn't frowned upon, where the ego mind begins to take a back seat to the soul's voice. So we gotta show love, man. We gotta show love to each other. And that's not just the people, that's where I'm from, man. That's why I got out to the world, man. This is for everybody, no matter where you at. No matter where you at on this planet. Shout out to all the people in different various places and regions and countries that might get a hold of my videos. Thank you in advance, and I appreciate you, and I appreciate everybody. It's amazing, man, just to be able to understand why you're outside, not just being outside just because I'm outside. No, I'm outside for a purpose, and that's letting my body feel the nature, letting my mind travel on a beautiful journey. And the thing is, you could just come out here, listen to the trees blow, listen to the wind, watch the water move, listen to the birds chirp. It'll free you. It'll soothe the mind chatter without avoiding stress. So it's not like it's a way to avoid. Nah. You come out here to release. And I'm gonna be honest with you, depending on where you at in your journey, you may be at the point where you coming out here still angry, or wherever you at, to where you could go, because I understand there's other people different places. So if it's not a river, it might be a park, it might be the beach, whatever the case may be. It's just about, you might go out there being upset. You might, at first, it might not work for you in this kind of way. You just got to give it time. Because even I wasn't really fully aware of, I knew I was coming out here for freedom, but I didn't know I was coming out here and manifesting it, all the negativity out of me. Now, I'm not perfect by no means, as no man or no woman is. I'm just stating what it is from my perspective. So, as I was saying, man, it's beautiful to come out in places like this, man. I'm just glad to shine the light, man. I just want to shine a light on the people, my soul family. I'm Sai Soul, and I love all y'all. I love all y'all because we soul family. We pushing this planet forward. We pushing this planet forward. Alright? As long as we work together as a collective, as long as we spread love, as long as we take care of the environment, we'll be good. So I'm going to sign off here, man. I love all y'all. My soul family is Sai Soul. Peace, love.